So dahil wala akong magawa ngayon, naisip kong gumawa ng room/electronics lab tour. Hehe. So this is my PC. This is where I edit videos, do some programming, and some CAD. And that's the mic that I use for voiceovers. And now let's go to my electronics corner. So this one is my DIY bench power supply. I made it from an old ATX power supply, yung mga ginagamit sa mga PC. And nireroute ko lang yung voltage lines niya para meron akong different voltage outputs like 3.3 volts, 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts. I can also have 24 volts by using the positive 12 volt line and the negative 12 volt. So kapag ginano mo yun, di ba 24? So this is my drill and I use it for drilling and screwing basically. Now this is a multimeter. Basically it can measure resistance, voltage, and current and other things na pwede mong gamitin for electronics. Ito namang isang binubuksan ko is a special multimeter. It can measure current without directly connecting it to the circuit. And ito yung favorite ko. So now, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung mga electronic components na meron ako. So, some crimp connectors, some knobs, potentiometers, capacitors, some coils and transformers, some resistors, and some switches. And now, hand tools. So, meron ako ditong metro, wire stripper, smaller wire stripper, snap ring pliers, basic pliers, long nose na baliko, and a side cutter. So, for the fasteners, meron tayo ditong blind rivets, meron tayong servo arm attachments, some concrete screws, and machine screws M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, and M8. Meron din akong breadboards, DC converters, some sensors, and some more sensors, some proto boards, some test leads, some Arduinos, ayan. Iba't ibang klase yan. Merong ESP8266, merong Arduino Mega, meron tayo Arduino Uno, some more components, and more. Yun na lang, pagod na ako eh. Bye-bye!